So when Offas Dyke was originally built, it would have been constructed of the existing stone and earth in different locations, and it would have also, they would have had to have cleared the woodland or any other vegetation to allow line of sight to the west. But today it exists in all manner of different vegetation. We're perhaps most familiar with seeing Offas Dyke in opened heathland and pasture, but it also goes through woods such as here. And you have this wonderful section, actually very well preserved despite erosion and damage from tree roots, where you can see it going through a stretch of woodland. So Offas Dyke is our biggest and perhaps most dramatic linear earthwork in the British landscape, but it's not going to be here forever, and we need to carefully conserve it and manage it in all of the different landscapes it runs through, both in river valleys where it is often already washed away in large sections, on slopes of hills and on hilltops such as here. And so it's a monument that has many different threats to it, from agriculture and from walking and from neglect.